Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from Assist Queen Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a straight seam with crocheting in the round compared to a more curved seam. Alright, let's get right into the video. So when you're crocheting in the round, when you get to the end of your round, you do a slip stitch into that first stitch that you made of the round to finish off the round. So just keep in mind as we continue on that when you make that slip stitch, you have the stitch that you slip stitched into right here, and then you have the slip stitch right here. So just keep that in mind as we go along. All right, so we're going to chain one to start our row. I'm going to use half double crochet stitches. So for the first round, there's going to be 2 repetitive rounds. For the first one, you're going to start your stitches into the stitch that you slip stitched into, not to the next stitch, but into the one that you slip stitched into to start that first round. So go ahead and you're going to want to crochet in that stitch, and then you're going to go around like usual. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to the end of the round. Alright, so now I'm at the end of the round, and I'm going to make sure that I don't crochet into that slip stitch because I already crocheted into the stitch that we slip stitch into. That kind of counts as one. So when you get to the end of your round, make sure you don't crochet into that slip stitch, and then finish your round by slip stitching into the first stitch you made of that round. Sorry, this yarn is really splitty. Right, so for the second round, you're not going to start crocheting into the stitch that you slip stitched into. You're going to start in the next stitch instead. So unlike the first round, we're not going to go into that stitch that we slip stitched into. We're going to start in the next stitch. And then you're going to go ahead and crochet normally according to whatever your pattern you're working on to the end of that round. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to the end of the round. But when you get to the end of your round, because you didn't slip stitch into the stitch that you slip stitch into, sorry, so many slip stitch terms, we're actually going to crochet into that slip stitch that we did to end the last round. So to finish off the second round, you're going to crochet into that slip stitch, and as per usual, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch you made of that round. So you're going to alternate between starting in this stitch that you slip stitch into, and on the next round you're going to start in the next stitch. You're going to keep going back and forth, and what that's going to do is going to keep your seam nice and straight. I'm going to go a few more rounds and show you guys how it looks. Alright, and as you can see, my seam is nice and straight. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, just comment below. If you want to learn how to start crocheting in the round, I have a super easy beginner tutorial right here. Or if you want to learn how to get a nice flat circle, not one that's cupped or wavy, I have another video for that right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. Have an awesome day, my crochet kings and queens. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!